Hello, my name is Michał Folwarczny. I work as a lecturer above the bar in marketing at GE Cairns School of Business and Economics at the University of Galway in Ireland. And today I will speak about one of my recent publications, a paper which was published recently in Food Research International. This paper looked at how the environment in which we dine affects our calorie judgments of the foods that are presented to us. And a little bit of background information. Have you ever considered how a salad can seem low in calories even when it's laden with more dressing than greens? This is known as the health halo effect in scientific circles. The health halo effect occurs when we perceive an item to contain fewer calories simply because it includes some healthy ingredients. Consider the difference between a burger with fries and the same meal, the same burger, accompanied by fries plus a salad. Many customers would assume that the latter combination is less in terms of the total calorie content, which is in fact a misconception because however healthy salads are, they also contain some calories. But the question is, could a depiction of nature similarly influence our calorie estimation? Our dining experiences are never isolated. We never eat in a void. They are always accompanied by environmental stimuli. For instance, one might dine amidst abundant greenery and the sounds of cascading water, or in a stark, minimalist space devoid of natural elements, filled by contrast with concrete. In our recent study, we explored whether the presence of a natural scene behind a meal could lead us to perceive this meal as less fattening compared to the same meal set against an urban backdrop. To investigate this, we presented 200 individuals with images of various meals, each complex in composition to mimic a realistic choice. And we also asked them to estimate the caloric content and healthiness of all these meals. In one experimental condition, meals were juxtaposed with natural elements, whereas in another experimental condition, all these meals were framed by urban architecture. Contrary to what one might expect, the nature background did not significantly alter calorie estimation on its own compared to the urban background. However, the perception of meals' healthiness added an intriguing layer to our findings. If a meal appeared generally unhealthy to our participants but was showcased against a natural setting, then participants estimated it to be lower in calories than if it was presented against an urban scene. Now, what are the implications of these findings for us, for customers, because we make so many food choices every day? It appears that our minds may be swayed, leading us to consider certain foods less caloric based on their surrounding. A meal deemed unhealthy when placed with a natural context might be unwittingly granted a caloric pardon, for example. These findings are important for our health as they underscore the profound impact of our environment on our judgment of food. This insight could be applied to food presentation in advertising, on menus, and at our dining tables. The next time you encounter an advertisement featuring an unhealthy, high-calorie pizza amidst natural backdrop, bear in mind that you might not be as calorie conscious as you think because of the effect of nature elements accompanying pizza. So the take-home message is that you should be mindful, extremely mindful, that there is a possibility of underestimating the calorie content of foods, especially unhealthy foods, consumed while on vacation in a tropical island setting.